This is some rust repair that I did on the radiator support where the battery sits. I had to fabricate some pieces for that. And this is the finished product after I sprayed it in the booth. Here's a couple of pictures of the rear differential after it was painted. These are some pictures of the cab after it was sandblasted, and this is fitting the cab and fenders to the frame. This is the frame sandblasted, and this is the frame sitting in the booth, acid etched and ready to paint. And this is the frame after it's painted and some of the front end components installed on the vehicle. This is the hood, partially sanded and some body work done on the front of it. This is the bedside, left-hand side. There's some floorboard work that I did and rocker panel stuff. Bottom of the bed with bed liner on it, and wheel welds for the rear. Some primered pictures of the bedsides. And a bed put together and in the booth, getting ready to paint. Installed a new tailgate. This is some pictures of the cab corners that I replaced. Right and left hand side. The bed with new bed liner. And the tailgate with bed liner. Driver's side door opening and some of the rust repair that was done. New floorboards, and I had to fabricate some of that. The inner rocker panel attachment point. Got new pieces for the lower door jambs. These are the fenders and doors freshly painted. Wasn't any body work really to do on those to speak of. They were in pretty good shape. And the bed sides freshly painted along with the tailgate. And inside the cab, most recent work completed. Thanks for watching.